All right, so we have this lovely bone-in pork loin here. We got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bones. Our pit is just now coming up to temp. We've had this running, so it's rocking and ready. So what we'll do here, I'll put a little bit of oil on my hand, a little olive oil. There we go. Not too much. Just gonna rub it all around. Get all on that backside. We'll get a little bit more here. So, some on the side, a little bit of binder. We have a mix of herbs here. So we have some thyme, some sage, and rosemary. I'm just gonna pat this on. Real nice like. The reason is, it just smells good, it feels good to the meat. It's gonna give us some covering. And when that smoke hits it, it's just gonna feel real nice. This part down here is pretty bony, so I'm not gonna do too much on there. By the way, I've already removed the membrane here, so you don't have to even worry about that. All right, so got that covered. The next thing we're gonna do is we got this Kinder's Black Cherry Chipotle. Now, we're gonna do it twice. We're gonna do it once on top, and then as the meat cooks, we're gonna season it again. The reason we're gonna do that is just give it more flavor. And like I said, we're trying something new. Never be afraid to barbecue and experiment. And I'm doing it with the wrong hand, because I am. There we go. And turn around so y'all can see. Got a lot of flavor going here. So all we're gonna do is let this sit for about 5 minutes. We're gonna go in and get our probe, and we're gonna pop this on the grill between 250, 225. Right now my grill is sitting at 250, so that's perfect. So give me about 5 minutes, we'll be ready to go. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead, put our coals on this side. Yeah. So we got our ThermoPro meat probe. We're gonna slide this right here, all the way till it gets that black line in. And the first way we're gonna do it is just like this. Actually, do the fat side first. I like the fat first. Gonna let that cook. Once it gets to about halfway through, so we're gonna cook this about 145, 150. Once it gets about halfway through, then we're gonna go ahead and flip it again, and I'll bring you guys out for that. So we are about 10 minutes from being done, and this looks delicious. We're gonna go ahead and drizzle on a little bit of this garlic butter I had melting here. This has an extra layer of flavor. Oh man, that looks good. There we go. We're gonna let that sit for a few more minutes. Then we're gonna pull it, let it sit in the house for about 10 minutes, come back and slice into it. See you guys in a few minutes. All right, let's cut into this and find out what we got. Now, I'm gonna just cut here on the edge along the bone. Ooh, smooth like butter. right until I get to that part. I don't know what this cartilage is, but we're gonna figure it out. There we go. Oh man. That looks delicious. Nice, juicy. Look at that steam coming off. Oh man. This looks good. Let me go ahead and get my son out here. Get him a taste test this with us, all right? Come on. Hey, Link, you want a taste test? Come on. I'm gonna cut us another one right quick. Look at that. Money on the wood, baby. I'm gonna get another knife to get right through that part right there. Hold on 1 second. Sit down, son. Hold on 1 second, okay? Like, all right, Lane, go ahead and take a bite. Tell the people what you think.
Delicious, juicy, tender. It's so good.
Let me take a seize. Say hi.
I'm not gonna try it.
Okay. Let me go ahead and get some.
You come over here. Did you say you don't want some?
All right.
It's so tender. No, not please. Not any of it.
You can really taste the garlic butter on the crust. You got the herbs. This is good. All right, guys, I want to thank you all for watching. Lincoln, you want to tell them what to do? Hold on, Link. Tell them what to do, son.
Click subscribe and hit that bell icon and like the video. Bye-bye.
All right, guys, we'll see you later. We're going to enjoy this. And yeah, have a happy Mother's Day for all the ladies out there. Bye-bye.